I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. You better believe it, I'ma be happy, I'ma be good. Get that understood.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Amina Mahogany back again for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a box opening from Adowa Beauty. Adowa Beauty was first, I first heard about Adowa Beauty through the Glam Twins. Their friend is the creator of the products and the brand. It is a black owned hair product company basically for natural hair, but I'm guessing anybody who's interested in the products can use them. I will link the site below and insert a little bit of information about the founder of Adowa Beauty right here. This is the box that the hair products came in. It's white square box with really cute tape. People with natural hair, I thought that was such a cute touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys the products. I have opened the box before just because I was so excited to get the products. Plus I ran out of my hair products that I normally use. It is time for me to wash my hair. So this video will just be an unboxing, and then I will do a review on the products for the next video. So on to opening the box. So in the box, there's the little popcorn kernels in here. You see they're falling out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the products out and then I will show you guys. Okay, so with the leave-in conditioner, it says it's thick enough to be used to prep your hair prior to using the curl defining gel or the curl defining cream. It can also be used alone as a styler on loose or wavy curl textures. I have type 4 hair, type A, B, and C for hair, so I would use this with the curl defining cream, which I did buy. It says that this product is extremely moisturizing and recommended for hydrating dry, parched curls on a daily basis. You can expect a rich, smooth, and creamy consistency filled with natural omega fatty acids that are beneficial for hair growth and growth retention when used as part of a healthy hair regimen. So one of the goals I have for 2018 is to grow my hair 4 inches. I know that's a stretch, but I think it can be done. I've been doing a lot of protective styling to keep my hair tangle free, and so that will help the products slip down my strands more easily and not be detangled, so that my hair can retain more moisture, not be prone to a lot of split ends, and just less breakage. The key ingredients are the baobab oil, which treats dandruff and a dry scalp, eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea on the scalp. Spearmint and peppermint and wintermint oils, which are antifungal and enriched with omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, and nettle combats hair loss. So that's what's in this leave-in conditioning styler. I will be trying this out very soon, probably today, who knows. So I'm gonna move on to the next product that I got, which is the Adowa Beauty Baomint Oil Blend with baobab, wintermint, and spearmint oils. And mostly all the products have the same ingredients, same kind of smell to it. Actually, I'm gonna smell them for you guys on camera, but let's get into this product. Okay, so this was $11.99 for 7.2 ounces. It's 100% natural superfood for the hair and scalp. And it says this eclectic mix of essential oils works together in perfect proportions to aid growth, add shine and strength to your hair, which I need, having 4 type hair. They selected high quality grade oils that will absorb into the hair strands to penetrate from the inside out. Now I have low porosity hair, which means that it's hard for my hair to accept any type of moisture. So when it says that it will absorb into my hair strands to penetrate from the inside out, that's something that I'll definitely be looking to test. It has baobab, pomegranate, spearmint, and wintermint oils that will promote growth and aid in invigorating your scalp for ultimate health and shine. Use daily to complete your style or add to your Baomint deep conditioning treatment for an extra boost. So that's what I'll be using this for. I will be using it in my deep conditioning treatment and on the daily basis because I do like to use oils to enhance my deep conditioning treatment. So we'll see. Okay, so it says meet the single strand knot destroyer. That is a huge claim. Like my hair, having 4C hair, I get single strand knots, fairy knots, whatever you want to call them, all the time. All the time, I get single strand knots and I absolutely despise them. So for the deep conditioner to say the single strand knot destroyer, I'm gonna really need it to do that, because if this can get rid of my single strand knots, I will just be so happy with life. I will just be so happy and I will buy this product again and again and again. So that's the first claim. It says melt your tangles away and invigorate your scalp with the cooling properties of exotic baobab and combination of mint oils. Mint 100% invigorates your scalp. We all know the tingling feeling we get when we have mint on our face or on our scalp. So I believe that. It says your conditioning treatments can enhance your curls by infusing them with the moisture you need for styling. Again, my 4 type hair lacks a lot of moisture, so I definitely need that moisture to be locked in, whether I have a protective style or I have a wash and go. Our deepening conditioning treatment is filled with organic oils and extremely moisturizing, thick and creamy. I like that. Okay, natural essential oils were selected to work in unison and have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They add strength and shine to your hair's cuticle for optimal styling. Okay, so the last product of the 4 that I did get is the Adowa Beauty Baomint Curl Defining Cream with baobab, wintermint, and spearmint oils for dry textured hair. Again, sorry, my little camera is not focusing, but this is the 4th product that I got. I normally get curl defining gels just because of my hair type, but something that I wanted to try is curl defining creams because I don't necessarily like how crunchy my hair gets when I do use curl defining gels, or how it might get flaky if I decide to use like a creamy leave-in conditioner and oil and then a curl defining gel. It gets like flaky and I absolutely despise flakes in my hair. So let's see how we will be using this product. It says Baomint Curl Defining Cream in 8 ounces, slip and definition and hold all in one product. That's a big claim. I really hope that's true. Our Baomint Curl Defining Cream will be your new favorite styler. Expect a thick, creamy, and rich butter that will leave your strands shiny, silky, and smooth, just the way you like it. I do like that. This product was formulated to be buildable based on the density and desired volume of your curls. Use more or less product. I guess we will have to learn the hard way whether I need to use more or less products, because I do have 3 different curl patterns in my hair. So we're gonna work with it and see what's best for me to use. The Adowa Beauty Curl Defining Cream contains baobab and cactus oil. Cactus oil smells so good as its main ingredients, which are both superfoods with omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, vitamin E, which also helps to fight free radicals. Sounds good. It will also leave your hair soft and moisturized with an added benefit of amazing slip to help with detangling your styling session. detangling during your styling session. So this all sounds good. I really got this product to help with my wash and goes instead of using a gel, and it does say this product gives a medium hold and works amazingly well with wash and go styler as a wash and go styler for wavy or curly hair textures. So that's why I got this product. I didn't want to use gels anymore. They also are really sticky, so I really wanted to try cream for my wash and goes, and I don't really wear wash and goes in the winter time. I've been wearing a lot of protective styles, twisted styles, but since I have this product, I will wear a wash and go for at least a week when I try this out. Okay, I just wanted to interject for a moment because I forgot to smell these products on camera for you, but these products smell absolutely amazing. I love the cactus and the winter mint and the baobab. It's just all of it together. It smells so freaking amazing, and I just have fun smelling it every time I use these products. So those are the 4 products that I got from Adowa Beauty. 1, the leave-in conditioning styler. 2, the Baomint Oil Blend. 3, the Baomint Deep Conditioner. And 4, the Baomint Curl Defining Cream. So I will link all of those products down below. I just wanted to try these products because I heard about it through the Glam Twins, and they've done miraculous with their hair growth and their hair growth journey. So why not try these products out? Help a black sister, help a black company out, you know, and help myself out at the same time. So peace, love, and blessings to all of you.